I've narrowed it down to 3 password managers worth your money in 2026: NordPass, 1Password, and RoboForm. Each one's actually best for a different type of person, so stick around. I'll tell you exactly which one fits you. Deals for all 3 are in the description. First, the stuff they all get right. All 3 use zero-knowledge architecture, meaning literally nobody but you can see what's in your vault, and that's been verified through independent security audits, not just marketing claims. You also get the basics across the board: password storage, autofill, strong password generation, passkey support if you want to move away from passwords altogether, and 2-factor authentication. All 3 work on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and have browser extensions too. So honestly, any of these 3 will do the job. But let's get into what actually sets them apart. Starting with NordPass. It's built by Nord Security, the same team behind NordVPN, so there's real infrastructure and experience backing it. I'd call this the best pick if you're new to password managers. The interface is clean and genuinely easy to pick up. But it's not just beginner-friendly. It's also got real safety features, like a breach scanner that alerts you the moment your email or card details show up in a leak, and email masking, so you can generate a disposable email address instead of handing out your real one. NordPass also has a built-in authenticator, so your 2-factor codes live in the same app instead of needing something separate. Next, 1Password. This one feels more premium right out of the gate. Lots of customization. You can organize everything into vaults, add tags, add icons, make it genuinely yours. Security-wise, it's strong too. There's a secret key you need on top of your password when logging in from a new device, which makes account takeovers a lot harder. I also really like their Watchtower feature. It actively flags weak, reused, or compromised passwords so you're not guessing. But where 1Password really wins is families. You can share entire vaults with people, which makes it the strongest option if you're managing passwords for more than just yourself. And then, there's RoboForm. It's actually the oldest of the 3, been around the longest, and it shows in a good way. It's dependable. The desktop app looks a little dated, I'll be honest, but the browser extension and mobile apps are clean and simple. Where RoboForm really stands out is form filling. It handles even complicated forms faster and more accurately than most competitors I've tested. Now, on price. NordPass is actually the cheapest of the 3, coming in at just $1.19 a month on their 2-year plan. RoboForm sits in the middle, starting around $1.66 in the first year, and 1Password comes in highest at $2.99 a month, though it's also the most feature-packed of the 3. All the current deals are linked below. So, to wrap it up, NordPass is my overall favorite and the easiest for beginners, and it happens to be the cheapest too. 1Password has the richest feature set and is the best if you need to share with family. And RoboForm is the most dependable, long-standing option if form filling matters to you. All 3 are genuinely solid. It just comes down to what matters most to you. That's it for this one. Deals for all 3 are linked below. See you in the next video.